In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OKX to TradingView, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your trading experience. Let's dive in and get you set up step by step. First, you're going to want to launch a chart on TradingView. This is your starting point, and you can do this either on the desktop version or, if you're on the go, the mobile app works just as well. Once you have your chart open, focus your attention at the bottom of the screen. That's where you'll find the trading panel. It's like a control center for all your trading connections. If OKX isn't immediately visible in that panel, don't worry. It's quite simple to access all available brokers. Just look for three little dots or a button marked More. Click on that and a list should pop up, revealing all the brokers, including OKX. Now you've spotted OKX in the list, go ahead and select the Connect button next to it. This is where the process truly begins. You'll then be prompted to log into your OKX account. If you already have one, simply enter your existing account details. But if you're new to OKX, this is the perfect time to sign up and get started. The website will smoothly guide you through the registration process if that's the case. Once you're logged in, it's time to authorize the connection. This step is crucial because it grants TradingView access to your OKX account, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and securely. Before you leap into trading, make sure a couple of essentials are set up on your OKX account. It's important that you have either a live or demo OKX account populated with crypto assets. This ensures that you're ready to carry out real transactions or practice trades without risking actual funds. For those interested in derivatives trading, consider adjusting your OKX account mode to single currency margin. This specific setting can enhance your trading flexibility by focusing on a singular currency for margin calculations. Once everything is connected and set up, you can start placing buy or sell orders directly from the TradingView chart using the order panel. It's quite liberating and efficient to see your trades appear in your OKX account as you orchestrate them right from TradingView. This integration not only makes your trading more streamlined, but also allows for a more interactive and instantaneous trading experience. And there you have it, a straightforward way to connect OKX to TradingView. This setup will keep your trading decisions nimble and well-informed right at your fingertips. Happy trading, and may your charts always be in your favor.